This is a quick video to introduce you to the EonicWeb content management system. My name is Trevor Spink. I'm the founder and lead developer here at Eonic. This video will show you the key features of the platform and show you how anyone can make simple updates to their website. In front of us is a typical website for a demo company. To log in, you simply go up to the URL here and type admin. Okay, and here you get a logon screen and you enter your username and password. Here you see you've entered a dashboard. Now this is currently got a demo company details in here, but your web designer will have their contact details in here and you'll be able to get in touch with them for any support when using the system. Okay, so there's some key sections within the system here, and depending upon what features you have enabled. Content allows you to manage the content of the site. Membership is for sites with membership where you've got a username and password and a login area. E-commerce is fairly self-explanatory. We have some reporting, some tools to change the look and feel of the site, and there's some settings under the hood. So I'm going to show you a little bit now about how to edit content in the system. Okay. So clicking on the content button takes you to the home page of the website, but in edit mode. So here you will see the site itself, okay, with extra buttons hanging over the top of anything that you can go in and edit. Okay, up the top here we've got a black menu which gives you the main features of the content management system. So the edit menu allows you to make changes to the menu, and the resource library allows you to upload documents, videos and images. Okay, so if we go back to by page, you can see here within the content of the page you've got various buttons here that allow you to edit the content. Now I'm going to show you how to do this by creating some new content on a new page. So going through to edit menu, we'll go to add a page and we'll create a page, and we're going to call this test page. Okay. From in here you've got a whole range of options for your page settings. So you can set a publish date and expire date. Okay, you can set the page to be live or hidden. You can hide the page from navigation, and you can also elect to not show a navigation bar on the page. Okay, and there's a whole range of other settings as well, which we can go through a bit later. So I've created my test page and I can save it. And by clicking on it, we will go through to that test page on the website. And as you can see here, it's automatically been added to the menu, and we have the ability now to add content to the page. Now, before we add any content, we're going to pick the layout we want for the page. So for that, we pick page layout, and we've got a various arrangement of boxes and columns that are available for us to use. So let's pick a 2-column layout for the page here. Okay, this has given me 2 columns. Now in each of these locations on the page I can add modules. So let's show you what a module is. We have a range of different types of module, formatted text, images, videos, Google Maps, email forms, audio files. And then they can get more complex as well. So you can have a list of news articles, a list of events, products, a product gallery, contact details, tags, organisation list, documents, testimonials. There's a whole raft of them here. We've then got image galleries here for you to use. There's navigation and link templates, social networking, other column layouts, so you can have columns within columns. Okay. We've got some advanced things if you want to embed some HTML or generate an iframe. And then depending upon add-ons you've got enabled, there can be membership features and e-commerce controls as well. Okay, but let's go back for this example, go back to some basic content. So we're going to add some formatted text to the page here. Okay, so very often a block of content is going to have a title. So let's add a title here. And in here we can enter some text. So this is our text. This is a fairly standard text editor that will allow you to copy and paste. It'll allow you to make things bold. You can change the format, so there's a whole range of different heading styles: bold, inline, underline, strike through, blocks, alignment. So there's a whole range of usual text editor type things in here. Okay, now on the right hand side we can select how this block of content is going to be presented. So if it's a straightforward text and we just want that to appear on the page, we don't give it a styling. But we've got a whole selection of other styles, so you can have it in a box of a range of different colours, and these colours can be set up in the site template. Various different types of alert and well and big banner ads are available here. So if we go for a default box style here. Also, you can add an icon to the start of the title if you wanted to. So let's add a tick there. The icon you could upload from a file if you wanted to, and you could select whether you want the icon to be left of the title or it's centered and above it. In this case, let's just go left. Okay. Also, at the end of the block of text, you might want to have a link or a button that goes somewhere else. Now you can pick a page on the website and you can enter the text you would want in that link. Click here for all. Okay, and save your text. Now you can see that's been added to the page, and it's very easy. And we've got our icon in there and the heading style. We can see it sitting in a box, which is what we want. We've got the button at the bottom, and that's all good. Now it's on the page. You can move it around the page, so you can move it from this box over to another box on the page, and back again. So you can very easily build up the layout you want from the page. If you wanted to change your page layout at this point, you could very easily change it. So if we switch that to a 3-column layout, you can see we now can move this around into a 3rd column. So it's very easy to build, update and create your website. So let me show you a different content type. So let's go into a list of news articles. Now these list of contents can get a bit more complicated, or they contain a lot of features. So if we call this latest news. Okay, we've got and again we can give it a box style. We've got a range of places we can get this box to pull news articles from. So we can get it to just list all the articles that we've added on this page. Okay, or we can go and specify specific articles that we've created elsewhere on the site. Or we could relate it to all articles about a specific tag or topic. Or we could get it to automatically pull in the top 3 articles from another page within the site. At the moment, we just want it to list all the other items on the page. We've got some tools for third-party commenting here. So if you want to add a Facebook comments feed or discuss, live fire, we've got a whole series of these discussion platforms that we have integrated with in the past. Okay. You can also choose how you want your articles to be displayed. Do you want them in multiple columns? Do you want to be able to page through them? So sort of step through 5 per page, for instance. Okay. And you can select how you wanted them sorted. Usually news articles are sorted by publish date, so we'll leave that on. You can also have your news articles scrolling in a carousel, and here's an option to turn that on. Okay, and again we've got our link at the bottom, so if we wanted this to link to a more news page, then we could do that. And save. So here we've got a box with latest news. There's nothing in it yet. So what we want to do is add something to it. So let's go and add a new news article. And you see our news article's got a headline. The strap line, so this will get shown in the list. Okay, this is a brief description of the article, and then you've got the main article in here. Okay, you can pick an image for the new article. Okay, and this will load up our image library, and we can pick an image here and save that to the article, and we can save that. You can also set an author and some subject tags for a news article, but let's save that for now. So there we are, we've created our article, and if you click read more, you can go through and you can see the detail of the article. Okay. So that's it for now. I hope you found that interesting. There's plenty more for me to show you in future videos. If you've got any questions or queries, please do get in touch with us at Eonic. Thank you for listening. Cheers.